Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving this is your device. That protects you and others. Once done, make sure the phone has power and a network connection so official recovery can run. Check for saved account credentials and any backup codes, and assemble proof of purchase and ID before contacting support. These items speed verification and keep the process legitimate. If you have a linked Google account, that is the primary recovery route, so prepare those details now. Next, follow authorized recovery channels rather than third-party hacks. Log into your Google account from a trusted computer to use device recovery options, or use your manufacturer's support app or portal for guided unlock. Make sure to use the same account previously linked to the phone. This is why credentials matter. If two-step verification is enabled, have second-factor methods ready. Contact your carrier if the phone is carrier locked and you need assistance with verification steps. If account recovery does not work, escalate to the device maker or an authorized service center with your ID and receipt. They can verify ownership and perform secure resets. Be aware, authorized factory resets will erase user data, so restore only from verified backups once you regain access. Make a habit of enabling cloud backups and find My Device so future lockouts are simpler. If anything goes wrong, pause and contact official support rather than using unverified tools that risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.